Alright, what's up, how are y'all doing? Let me take it to main. What's up, how are y'all doing? How's everybody doing? Let me check who's in the chat. We got Bushi, we got Jerry, and we got Snaggy, Fernando. What's up, good morning everybody, how are y'all doing? I hope y'all had a great rest of your day yesterday. And hopefully we can have a beautiful day today here. This week has been slow so far, but let's see if we can close the week strong. This is Friday. So probably I'm gonna stay a little bit longer here compared to yesterday. But yeah. Let me get everything ready. Let me see 9:30 first. I just wanna go 3 minutes, see what's gonna happen. Okay. Hello. Bro, make top-down analysis of the day. Yeah, for sure. That's why we hop on like 30 minutes earlier. That we can go and do the daily analysis for the day. But let me check. Let me just get my music ready. Let me get everything in the background sorted out, and then we can go ahead and start. Y'all can hear me good, right? Let me get my Spotify. Come on, Lloyd. Why is it not loading? Let me rerun it. The Spotify is not responding. Okay, good news. Just take Task Manager. Still no this. Holy. Let me just close Spotify from the. Wait, I've shared the link with y'all on a drive. It's pinned right there, so you guys can go and kind of take the link while I sort out the Discord, because I really didn't have time yesterday and also today. Literally, just make a little loud. Okay. Now it's better. Can y'all hear me now? I don't know what's wrong with Spotify. Okay. Nonetheless, let me just go quickly daily, see what's going on. Try to make some money today. Let's go here. Okay, so what do we got? 2-stage PSP, 1 PSP, second PSP. But let me just go with the try it, see what's going on. One sec, boys. One sec. Let me do some. I don't know why this one is not really loading quickly. Let me fix some things. Make a little loud. Can y'all hear me now? Is it better now? Can y'all hear me now clearly? Let me check. Okay, everything's good. Let me just see what is going on right there on the background. Cause I got some issues. I gotta close them. I'm afraid they will hop on the main screen. So let me just kind of close everything that I don't need for the time being. Okay. So I got a lot of tabs open. Okay, this one is gone. Alright, I think now everything is good. Now it's supposed to be smooth. It should be like water. Okay. We're back. Did you check the indicator, bro? Yep, it is. Can you do you guys see the pinned message? It's a drive link, so you can go ahead, and then it has a script that one of the viewers shared, and I really appreciate it. And it's right here. This is the indicator, so it's almost like the paid version. So I just kind of plugged in right here. So you can go ahead, guys, and take it on check the drive link, and then just add the script to your chart. So yeah, it was shared with me yesterday, so I did not really have time to kind of put it in the cloud yesterday. I forgot, but yeah, now it's good. So we got the PSP. What do we have now? We have a 2-stage PSP, beautiful, with the daily NQ and ES. What do we got? The PSP closed first, and now ES just traded above the high. So now if we want to trade ES, that's the C2, just like we do on M15 or M30. Now we can trade the C2. Why? Because we have the 2-stage. The PSP, the SMT confirmed the PSP. So now I'm really short bias for the day. I'm not really gonna be looking for anything else. We got this current daily low, also that daily low. So hopefully we can see some sort of expansion into the current low day or previous low day. And again, so far on daily, it seems like we want to take shorts. So that's what I'm gonna go with. Daily, but on YM, check. What do we got? A second stage to the upside. So again, I would be open to taking longs on YM. Just like yesterday, they were so decoupled that doesn't mean that I'm not going to trade one of them. If this one is decoupled, then it shows strength and it shows a clean profile to the upside, then I'm just going to go ahead and do it. And then I'm going to just go ahead and take it. And the beauty with YM today, and look at the range. It's still small. We still have a shallow opposing run to that supports expansion to the upside, and not only that, we only have that shallow opposing run. So if the candle flips, that also supports a bearish expansion day. So I'm gonna be open to both possibilities here today. But what do we have? We just traded above a key level, which is previous daily low, previous daily high, and now we have this SMT holding. So just from the get-go, I really want to be a little bit short biased compared to long biased here today. And also we got an open draw. And now what do we got? A beautiful, beautiful closure. That seems like a C2. That seems that it's going to close as C2. We're just traded below a level. What do we want to see? A failure to manipulate, continuation to the downside to take out all these failure swings. These are all failure swings. Price already reacted. I think it did not react from that level. Okay, so I'm just going to put it right there. Again, when we have a sweep, that's something I mentioned yesterday. When we have a sweep, I don't want to go with that level. I will go with this one instead. So yeah, that's really it. This is the 6 a.m. Let me just go ahead and put it out right there. The daily open is here. So what do we have? Daily open. What do we have? This is more of like a range, accumulation, manipulation, and now we're going to want to see the distribution. Hopefully we'll see a failure to manipulate once we kind of take out that level right there. Let me do Control Y. Okay. Let me take that off. Okay, now do the daily open here. And same for that one. So far, if you guys really check, like ES supports a bullish expansion day due to the fact that we have a shallow opposing run. But this low of day formed off of any key level? Not really. So am I really gonna start to trust it as the low of day? For now, no. But if we form like a key level just above the daily open, then yeah, due to the fact that there is some distance there, I can trust this new formed low to kind of trade it back to the upside. But again, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait. Let me check what's going on the lower time frame because that looks a little bit beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that expansion. And again, hopefully by the 10 a.m. price will not range. That's what we saw like for the whole week. Price just ranged after 10 a.m. like for the first hour of the candle, the first hour of that 10 a.m. candle, price just ranges. Hopefully now that would not be the case, and we'll be able to kind of just expand a bit lower. What I really want to see is just a closure. That's really it. That's all what I need right now because I got the profile, I got the daily, I got an open draw. If we get that CSD that shows this is a failure to manipulate, why would we have a bearish order block while we just traded below a key level? So if we form that one, then this is a failure to manipulate, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it back into the old lows. As super simple as that. Like sometimes you don't have to really overcomplicate it. Let me just go ahead and CL. Oh my god, bro. CL is just flying. And we had a two-stage, not really two-stage, we had a one stage yesterday, just before we closed the live stream, and I did not really pay attention to it because on the M15, that was like that was something I did not pay attention to. So we just got like these equal highs. The draw just got hit. Each O, same. Like the thing is, with now, like, I really can't do anything for CL other than, what do we want to see? We just traded above a level. New swing form. That's the only thing that I really want to see on CL. Let me take off the bar replay. Gold, beautiful, same. We got an open draw, but let me just go to the daily. Let me just go to the daily, see what's going on. Pay attention to here. Go to M15, see what's going on. Okay, by 45, we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Hopefully, we form a gap. Hopefully, we can react off of this gap because price just closed the current gap. And if price wants to reverse, then I'm just gonna be open to taking both sides. That's really what I'm gonna do. Let me see what's going on. So we got this SMT. Is this SMT? So if you guys really check, we get the SMT right there holding. But what that SMT do? Just kind of rebalance that range. We traded below the first level in AQ, and then yeah, it seems like prices we had like this deep retracement. But let's see if price wants to continue higher or lower. And if price wants to continue lower, where will it do it from? Will it do it from that high? Will we break the SMT? Will price break the SMT and continue? That's what we're gonna see. So that's why I want to wait for this 30-minute candle closure, or this hourly closure. That way we can start with a new candle. Let me check with the 4-hour. What do we have? We have a 2-stage right there. We got the PSP and the second stage right there. So if that's a failure to manipulate, then yeah. Let me check. We got the PSP, the SMT. That's beautiful. So we just kind of formed that second stage right now. We just formed it right now. So to kind of confirm like an hourly, a 4-hour, you really need like some sort of 15-minute confirmation instead of like the 3. There's even on a 3, there's nothing, like maybe on a 1, yeah. So for now, we just gotta wait. Let me go to CL really quickly. We got this high too. Price already traded above that high. And we got this gap. So really, like, that's the only thing left for price to kind of trade toward to. And if price wants to kind of retrace, that's the area we'll do it from, other than this high. Because I don't think price will have enough balls to go to the high. Like, let me just kind of compare it to yesterday's range. If we kind of take that candle, like, it can. If it's almost like the same as yesterday, we can. So yeah, so gotta be cautious with that. I'm gonna look in the chat for a bit. I see some messages, so I'm just gonna finish this analysis and then we can go ahead and see what's going on in chat. Okay. So what do we got? Like a bunch of fairy swings. Ideally, I want to see price trading back into the high, which is that same high right there. So that might be kind of that resync. This might be the area for price to resync, because price already, we had that SMT before. Now we just got disrespected. So for the assets to resync, probably that kind of be that trigger for the resync for them to all to expand at the same time, because RB is a bit stronger compared to them. So already traded above that draw, which is yesterday. Already did it yesterday, and now we're just expanding further. And if you really check on RB, like, this is the thing. Compare CL. Since they haven't traded into draw, it really expanded. But since RB already traded into the draw, look at the range. Price now is just kind of waiting, stacking for CL to kind of trigger that level, to then for them to expand at the same level with the same speed. GC. Oh my god, beautiful C2. Like, somebody mentioned the daily. I don't remember when. Is it Monday or Tuesday? Somebody said, how can I trade the daily and the hourly instead of just going to the lower time frame? This is the kind of things you need. We got a gap, a C2 closure. Let me see if we have V2 stage. Not really, we don't have V2 stage. Let me check if we have V2 stage on the daily. Yeah, we do. Just look at that. Price traded above here. Price did not. Price traded below. Here we kind of held that low. So what do we have? SMT fail. So now we get that 2 stage. What can you do now? The daily open. Just look for an hourly swing that is aligned with your direction. We got a gap. C2 closure. Now we can take a trade right there. Most likely we'll take an L. But yeah. Here you might take it, but this is all internal. Like, the previous one is this. But again, by the time price closes above, I don't know if you'll find an entry here. So like, this is the kind of things you want to see if you want to trade the hourly and the 30-minute. The hourly and the daily. Daily swing confirmed by CISD. New invalidation level, which is the gap. Okay, held. Which one is the next invalidation level? The gap itself. You look for an hourly fractal there, then you try to trade it. That's really it. So because somebody asked, so I just remember to maybe just put that out there. 30-minute. So here we got an open draw. GC expanded. Again, same thing. Like, I'm not really gonna create something new or do anything new for, like, because this is GC or this is HL. Like, literally the same thing. We got an open draw. The daily supports expansion. Previous daily candle closes C2, and not only that, we have V2 stage cracking correlation. First one, the SMT, which got confirmed by the PSP. We still got the draw open. The daily supports bullish expansion with that wick. Now it already flipped bullish, so now I'm aligned with that daily candle. Going on an hourly. What do we have? A C2 closure right there. This is a C3. What am I expecting next? A C4, which will be the first hourly candle of that 4 hour. So what am I going to do? Am I going to wait for a new swing? Not really. I'm not going to wait for a new swing. I'm just going to go ahead and try to find if I can trade the C2 candle. Hopefully price manages to trade back all the way here and forms a C2 off of that gap. That would be beautiful, because we'll have a lot of range to kind of trade back. But if not, then the 15-minute, also like kind of the same thing. Like the low of the 15-minute, also this is the PSP. So yeah, I don't think we'll have first stage. By the time we'll get a first stage, probably we'll have that SMT. Trade back into the gap. So I'm just going to go ahead and wait. Let's look at 15 minutes. So we'll have another 15-minute candle to close. And hopefully that draw would still be open by the time we want to trade on 10 a.m. If it's not, then yeah, the idea for the day is gone. And I might be looking to kind of take a short to kind of rebalance that range, because it has never been rebalanced. Like, this one has been rebalanced. So we got the new range that is just created right now, which haven't been rebalanced. So by the time we kind of trade above the high, we will have some room to kind of trade it back into the gap or something. Okay. Let me check the chat. Let me go back. Did you check the indicator? Yup. It's better. Yeah, it's better. You're close to 1K. Yup, man. It's really near. Hopefully we can manage to get it before that's my ends. But respect. Go for one to help with TTFM indicator, but some idiot gonna report. That's true. It's very close to 1K. That went long after this SMG. What about RTY? Okay, we'll go ahead and check RTY. Jerry, you're right, man. You're right. I'm gonna just go ahead and guys, check the drive link right now, because I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. We're gonna probably do a Discord and just post it there instead of here. If you guys want the indicator that the guy shared with us yesterday, which is named Atom, if I still remember correctly, Atom. So if you guys want to go ahead and check the drive link, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove it because Jerry said some really good things right there. Yesterday I went long after the SMT fail in CL, and RB took a VA sadly. Nice, man, you took the SMT fail. Perfect. Is it this one? Let me check. Was it that one? Was it this one? This is the one I missed. This one? If it's that one, really good. Now, really good. Cool line. Really good. Yo, hello. Hola, chico. So, I came only for the like. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, brother. Was the winner of the system? Not sure. Is the system winner? I'm not really sure. But for me, like 70, 75 around there. Can you place a click at your right? Okay, I will do. SMT break probably because all assets are expanding off exactly. So we're going to probably will have an SMT break for them to resync. Let me see what's going on with CL. Let me see what's going on with. Alright, so we have an SMT right there. Okay. But no PSP, just CISO closure. Okay. Why are the 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. 4-hour candles at PSP on NQ? Because this one closed bearish. YM closed bearish, ES and NQ closed bullish. That's why. And for the time being, this one is EPSP because it's bullish, and YM is flipping bearish. But again, it only confirms why when the candle is closed. Okay. Don't you want to see the 4-hour gap to get SMT fail? 4-hour gap on which asset? I'm not really sure which one you're talking about. I think refined created Discord indicator would be there. Perfect. I got that long. Nice, man. I think RTY would have been good for longs today, no? I haven't really checked it yet because I don't trade RTY, but I'm gonna go ahead and do just that. Just gonna let it load. RTY. Opa. Clean candle. CISO closure. Probably will have. Yeah, we don't. Let me check it later. I think RTY would have been the one we took together. Yes, perfect. Where can we see the indicator? It's pinned in the chat. If you guys check the chat, it's pinned right there with the drive link. Can I share your Discord link, G? Man, I didn't create one. Pinned comment, exactly. Thank you very much, Adam. Yeah, it did a really such a beautiful contribution from him. Thank you. Welcome. Good, boys. Good. So far, let's go back to the chart. See what's going on. RTY. Ah, man, I just prefer ES so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with ES. But for RTY, like, I think we're just trading out of nowhere. Just trading in no man's land. Yeah, bro, just so high up in the leg. The only thing we have is just like kind of this 2-stage. First stage is the PSP. Oh, not really. Is the SMT, and then probably gonna confirm it by the PSP. So yeah. Can you explain what you said about SMT confirming the PSP on NQ4R? Okay, how to use that indicator? I think I did post a. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys in a bit. When's the next backtesting session? I'm planning to record one today. I'm planning, yeah, because literally I just woke up, boys. I just woke up. I took a nap like for around 4 hours because today there's a football match that I gotta watch. So just after the stream, I'm gonna stay up to watch the football match, and then probably by the time the football match ends, I'm gonna go ahead and record that session before I go to bed. Okay, so for WY388, we still got 12 minutes so we can explain something. The two types of traction correlation is the PSP confirming the SMT or vice versa, or SMT confirming the PSP. When you have the PSP first, which is a C2 or C3 closure, now if this SMT comes next, then you can trade that candle that has the SMT. But if you have the SMT first, in that case, we have, oh, beautiful RTY example. What do we have? We got the SMT, right? But we cannot trade that candle. This is a C2. Why? Because it doesn't confirm a 2-stage. When is the two stages going to be confirmed? By the time this candle closes, it's the PSP. This one is bearish, this one is bullish. So now we cannot, the PSP confirms the SMT because the SMT came first. Look, the candle haven't closed. It still has 10 minutes to go, right? But we already have the SMT and it's still holding for now. So this SMT only counts if that PSP is confirmed. So by the time the candle closed, now we confirm the PSP and now we confirm the two stage. But on the other hand, if we have a PSP first, let me check if we have an example. Yeah, for example, look at RTY. We got, let me, you know what, we're just gonna do something for you very quickly. Start new. I don't know why this one's loading slowly, but again, it's no problem. In that case, so what do we got? We got the PSP first, right? We don't have, maybe we add an SMT, but again, with the consecutive candle, we did not, okay? So we got the SMT first, we got the PSP first, and now what comes next? The SMT. So now the SMT confirms that the PSP is probably gonna hold. So now we can trade that candle because look, RTY just formed a new high. Okay, again, this is like so decoupled, but again, just to put it out there to mention, okay? So you see which one comes first. If the PSP comes first, then we have the SMT. Then you can trade that candle. But if we have the SMT first, then we have to wait for the closure to confirm the two stage. Okay, so that's kind of what's going on right there. At what time do you confirm PSP and MC? Yeah, exactly. Why I cannot copy recorded indicator? You'll have to go ahead and down. Yeah, it's 79 pages long. Yeah, exactly. How to apply this indicator? You go here. You go to the Pine editor. You go to the Pine editor. I don't know why it's loading. And then you just, yeah, this is it. Oh my god, this rename. Okay. And then you just go ahead, new, create new, and here, then you paste it right there, add to chart, and it will go. Let me try to add to chart mine. Let me do it right now on that chart. So let me just go ahead and add it to my chart. I think it's loading right now. It's not? Okay, let me try to add it to my chart. Yeah, literally, that's what I'm trying to do, man. Oh my god, bro. You know, I'm just gonna hide the indicators, bro. You know what, just leave it there. I'm just gonna copy this one. This one is ready to use, so I'm just gonna copy that one. I'll remove this one. Close my higher time frame candles. Put that one right there. Okay, but I gotta fix a lot. He shared with me a picture, so I got a custom time frame, high time frame mode. Let me see the high time frame label. Remaining time is good. Show info table. Table bar. Fair value gap. Volume imbalance. High time frame start. Show chart sweeps. Not show T spot. I think it looks good. Show only latest. Nah. Show T spot. Nah. Yeah. Maybe I'll keep it like that. Bro, I don't know who made this one, but he did a really, really good job. I'm not gonna lie. He did a really, really good job. Let me see how many likes we got. Oh, we got 11 already. Come on, can we take it to 15, boys? Come on. We got 28 viewers right there. Maybe we can take it to 20 now. Come on. Share this in. Yeah, bro, it's in the pin. It's in the pinned comment. Just go to the drive link and download it. It's right there, bro. It's literally right there. Come on, can we take it to 20 likes, boys? We got 30 viewers here, almost 30 viewers, and still we got 11 likes. So hopefully we can take it to 20 or 30, hopefully. And today, I will know. Bro, he's gaslighting me, literally. Come on, we got new record for the viewers. Okay, we got 32. Perfect. Let me take a screenshot. I'm literally just keeping breaking records. Come on, can we get it to 20, boys? Come on, we got 13 so far. Hopefully before the 10 a.m. we'll have like 20 or 25 likes. I think we can get it. We can do it, boys. All right. Oh wow. Let me go ahead and go to my email, boys. And he sent me a screenshot, but I did not really check it. I almost did, but then I was like, let me just upload this one real quick to the drive. I'm gonna add it to the drive so you guys can have a clean one like him, because he had a clean one, if I still remember. He had like a really clean chart. So we'll just go ahead and open that up. Hey Siri, do not disturb. Okay, so we got the high time frame start line. Just go ahead and copy it. TTFM. So we got the, let me check. Price label. It started from the price label. Where is it? Where it's here. Okay, so we got the price label off. High time frame 1. Show chart sweeps. Show G-spot. So 91. Show G-spot. Okay. Show G-spot close line. So silver G-spot. Okay. Show CIST lines. Okay, I'll probably keep that one white, like 1 for the width. I'll probably give it 1. Probably make it orange. Projection a little bit lighter. And for the projection, I just want to go with the, I don't need the 1.5. Just go with the 2. .5, 4, 4.5. I'm not sure if that will work correctly or not, but let me just check. Projection label tiny. Okay, let me check if that lights up. Okay, we got the 4, 4.5, that's good. But like I cannot see really what's going on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and check projection color, make it a little bit darker. Small. Okay, that's better. Okay, it's kind of respecting that T-spot. Let me check. Okay, back on the chart. We got 16 likes. Nice. What do you think of longs on silver on C4 continuation? Bro, I haven't really been given silver rates this time lately. Yeah, we still got... No, there's no C4, bro. There's the C2, C3, C4, C5. So you just gotta be a bit cautious right there. I just like gold. I like gold so far. Hopefully I can... Oh, we did. Beautiful. Oh my god, bro. Holy. Let me check. Like so close to the draw. Yeah. Yeah, we're so close to the draw. Like if we get this size, D100%, we're gonna go to that high. We got the 2 stage. Again, yeah. For the guy that was there. This is the PSP that comes first. So now it's confirmed by the SMT. Okay, so on hourly, okay, check on hourly. Yeah, this is the C4, but again, C3, C4, what I want to see in new phase of price, bro. We just traded above a new significant level. I'm not really gonna seek expansion right away. The swing is just gonna be my favorite to manipulate signature. So that's it. Come on, we got 50% of the like. We got 32 viewers and 16 likes. Come on. Let's take it to 20, boys. Come on. Let's see if we can take it to 20. 32 viewers, nice. This is, I think yesterday we got to 30, now we got 32. Perfect. Right side big indicator name. Right side big indicator. This one is the one I shared, bro. It's in the pinned comment. Have you guys got the indicator already? So if you got it, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and delete the drive, and then I'll post it back on the... I'll post it in the Discord. Who taught you how to trade? A lot of people, but like mostly GxT. Like for the past year, yeah, GxT. Garrett and myself. Garrett and tons of hours of backtesting. You guys want to see how long I've been backtesting? Let me show you guys. Some people think this just by watching video you'll understand. Let me show you guys something. How many hours do you think I have backtesting? I really want to see a guess, guys. 450 hours? Okay. That's a good. I've been practicing for a year, but like how many hours? Let me show you guys time invested and the time that is replayed. You guys are ready? 22 days. Each day is like 24 hours, so. No, not 5k. Oh my god, that's a lot, bro. 22, let's do 21. 21 multiplied by 24. 500 hours. 500 hours, and I back this like 14 years of data. That's like just over a year. Just like, I guess, a year. Or like 8 months. Yeah. They also have the edit. Yeah. He sent me a picture. I'll try to get that sorted out like soon. I'll try to get that. Let me upload it to the cloud now. I was close. You were, bro. You were really close. Like, you were the closest. I was like 10. I did 10% of what Colite said. But like mostly I was on a charts live, and also I used to backtest with TradingView. That's what I used to do. I used to do here, go to replay, start new. For example, I want to go 3 minute. I want to backtest like the lowest time frame is 3 minutes. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and do random bar, and then I will start like on the hourly and do my analysis. But like I didn't have no data, so that was the issue. Okay, 10 a.m. is here. Let me see what's going on. Okay, we got a 2 stage. We got a second stage right there. 3 minute. Let me take out the indicator because it has a lot of things on the charts. That's a beautiful seat. That's a beautiful C2, man. That's a beautiful second stage. But it's like all internal within that gap. Like look how price is kind of struggling to break below that gap. That's my only concern. Kind of swept the high. Yeah, same. Like this gap just like troublesome. Look at the wicks, bro. Let me take out the precision swing point. It actually looks good. If we have like a clean break, let me get my trader weight ready. Okay, it's in here. Okay, it's here. So we're back. I like the fact like the previous hourly candle closed at C2. Now we're just gonna seek expansion back into that low or that low. But like, oh, the M5 looks better. I'm just gonna go with the M5. Like the M5 is just like a lot cleaner. Just gonna go with the M5, man. If we get that M5 closure, I'm taking it. But I'm gonna take this one if we get that closure. The M5 looks a bit cleaner, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do just that. 2R is like to the lows, but it's flipping already. Or if we create a new high, that would also be beautiful. CL. Well, yeah, CL traded into the gap. Nothing really there. Already traded into the gap. Got a C2 formation right there. C3, M3. Yeah, hopefully we can get a sweep below that level. Then I'll try to seek expansion back to the highs. Because we just got a C2 formation, so I can anticipate like a C3. Probably that can expand into the highs. Yeah, that's really what I'm looking on silver. If I get that sweep, then it's CIC, then I'm gonna take it. But ideally, like today, I might take NSC's back to the downside. Indicator name. I cannot say the name. Yes, Samib. Yeah, US 100 per hoga. Okay. Yesterday was very uneven to trade. Yeah, man. I took like a tiny L. I took like a 0.25 R loss. I'm not gonna risk 1K. Just gonna go to MNQ. Okay, look at YM, bro. Wait. YM looks really good. Also ES, holy. Hourly. Probably can trade back into this level. M5. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take ES, boys. Got the SMT, we got everything I need right there, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take ES. Gonna take it back to these lows. Create order 1. Okay, perfect. $500 risk. Okay, so I just set the limit. Just set the limit on ES. Hopefully it will trigger me back in. Let me set hourly. Ideally I want to have like a new low of day. So 3 minute. Yeah. Alright. That will be the trade for the day, boys. If it's an L, it's an L. If it's a win, it's a win. Just gonna go ahead and put that one right there. It's like a 2R. Hopefully we get the I'll let her trace back into my entry. If not, I'm gonna go ahead and take NQ as the lagging asset. This is the current low of day. Not really. Just M3, M5. Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and take NQ. But we got like a clean breakout on ES. Like also on YM, but like YM the draw is really close by, so that's why I did not really even bother taking the YM. We got the M5. We got the M3 closer, by the way. Just gonna wait for the M5. Yeah, like look at these wicks, bro. They're ugly. Just gonna go to M5. It's a lot cleaner. Okay. CL, silver. Oh, silver we did have that. Okay. I'll be open to take this one. M15, let me see if we have probably like some sort of 2-stage. That would be beautiful. Yeah, we do, but we have to downside. Okay, let me give. Holy, what's up? Damn, hopefully I did not miss that trade, bro. It looks like the M3 was the way to go. Yeah, bro. Hopefully I retrace before we take out a low. Yeah, it's just gone by now. The only thing we have is like MNQ. Can go ahead and MNQ, try to put a limit right there. If it gives us that entry back, that would be beautiful. Hopefully, which I don't think he will, by the way. I don't think he will retrace, but hopefully he will. Like this is the trade I took yesterday. It was such. Oh, I might just go for the external range. Okay, let's go ahead and create a limit. Go with 5 contracts right there. M3, yeah, M3. Like the only M3 was here. Take breaks. Don't back this for too long without pause. Exactly. Oh my god, man. Yeah, I should have taken that M3. Should have taken that M3 closure. Just didn't like how wicky it was. Like the M5 was a lot cleaner. But yeah, the M3 was like a just straight no drawdown. Like by the time now, we'll probably have like 2R. No, not this one. I think probably by now, like almost at 2R. Like 2R is here. Yeah. It's alright. Let's see what we got to offer. Let's see. Hopefully silver is gonna pay us back. Hopefully. Gonna get that SMG. Okay. Love your backtesting videos. Is there a chance to show some examples on EUGU by any chance? By the way, the next backtesting session is gonna be on Forex. So because a lot of people requested it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. The next backtesting session is gonna come on a weekend, probably Saturday or Sunday, one of them. So, what is the difference between US 100 and NQ1? US 100 is for CFDs, NQ1 is the futures contract. So, US is CFD version of NQ1. Use NQ exactly. What's okay? US 100 is a CFD version of NQ1. Okay. Exactement. Exactement, monsieur. You're welcome, brother. What are we reacting off of right now? Hopefully we can have it M15 two-stage, bro. Hopefully. M1. It looks like it wants to come back to my entry, or probably form a gap and then continue from that gap. What if it is two-stage SMT with SMT? Do we need it to close for the second SMT, or we can trade while it's forming? No, we can trade while it's forming. The first one you need to close, but the second one you need to change the indicator name and short title name and code. All right. Let me guys fix that out really quickly. Thanks, by the way. Alright, it's still changing, so once it's changed, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and reshare my screen. Just give me 1 sec, guys. I'm changing some things on the screen, on that code, and then we can it doesn't want to change the name of the code. I tried to change it, but it doesn't want. Let me see. Come on. Alright, we traded. Price traded back into my entry. Should I look for an entry? Okay, wait. You know what? I'm just gonna keep that for another day. We back, boys. It took too long to kind of load, so okay. Wow. Should we take like a 1 mini? Try it out. Your screen is not sharing. Yeah, exactly. I was kind of changing some things. Oh wow. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Should I take a micro just to kind of try it out? Let me see. Come on, why is it lagging? It's so close to the high. That could have been a break-even trade, by the way. Create limit order, 1 contract. It's gonna be $48. And no, I'm just gonna go with 1 more contract. No, I don't care. I really want to try it out. I just want to be in that trade, so I don't care. I'll probably be like $4 loss or something. Don't do that, guys, by the way. Don't do it. It's like so unhealthy. I just want to do it for the sake of, I don't know why. Just yeah, because pressure trades all the way back to the highs. I was gonna take a break-even trade anyway, so now it just seems like it just expanded to the highs. ES is still really far from the high, so maybe it might expand from there. So that's really it. I'm just gonna take up the money. Keep it ticks. Good. Yeah, and just we're gonna hold it for all the way to that extreme low. That's it. If it goes, it goes. And it seems like it's going well. Seems like it's going well. Wow, interesting. I was gonna boom. Yeah, exactly. Which you need CME data. Yep, you need the same. Your screen is not sharing. It's delayed. Yeah, the NQ one is delayed. Yeah, the only one, like, there was somebody yesterday that said you can use a fixed CM, US100 fixed CM, so you can use that one. It's the same as the NQ chart. Again, it's not as accurate, but it will do the job. It will get the job done. Let me just do that. Profit and loss value, not this one. Extended price. Okay, just gonna take that off. Keep it like that. Again, that's not a trade you guys should take. If I took that C3, that M3, by the time we kind of traded below that relevant level, I would have moved my stop or break even. So that would have been a break even trade. So just due to the fact that I missed it, I was like, you know what? Let me give it like a one small contract. Probably that's like a $20 loss or something, which really doesn't matter. Again, it's not good to do it. It's not good. I just wanted to do it, just because it kind of missed me. So I was like, let me small revenge trade with 1 mini. With 1 micro, not 1 mini. Okay. RB. Keep back. Hourly. This already the hourly. Silver. Yeah, I probably got taken out. Yeah, I got taken out. M15. Are we gonna farm that 2-stage? My god, the markets have been really bad lately. I took on 3 minutes just see C2 and closed once NQ took out Asian lows. Nice, bro. So you got like a 1 hour out of it or something, right? Good one, bro. Good catch. I think now price is gonna continue lower. I think now we're gonna find a true direction. Let's see. We got the PSP. Now again, we're trading that second stage. That's a PSP. Bearish, bullish. Now we're gonna just trade above the high. M3, but we don't have any level that we can confirm that 2-stage with. 1 minute. Probably I think this is the time it's gonna expand lower, I guess. If we're gonna form like a expansion gap continuation, that'll be really clean. Let me go back to the hour time frame, see what's going on, see the whole picture. Oh, whoa. Thank God. Look at all these levels, bro. All it takes is one candle like this one. Let me take this one, take that one off. Yeah, like all it takes is one candle like this. I think ES is really, it's probably gonna expand first. YM got the 4 hour for our gap fill. Okay, but I don't know why my chart is not loading. Y'all can hear me, right? I don't know why my chart is kind of taking long to load. Let me check what's going on with the 4 hours so far. It's a bearish candle. Check what's going on my phone. All right. Let's say you got an SMT and a daily. In which time frame? Look for the second stage. Yes, same time frame. Thank you. Thank you, iTrades. Yeah, you said it well. All right. Okay, we're getting that closer. Enjoying data receives. Gotta make 2026 the linear year. Nice, bro. Joined. Nice. Good, bro. I think it's worth it to join. I think. For now, seems like just gonna wait for another 30-minute count to close. Interesting. 30-minute. Gonna close bearish. We got this SMG. Would that be the failure to manipulate that high and then continue higher? Where's the low of day? Where's 1800? Oh, we have a delayed protraction profile, so now we're trading away from the low of day. Okay, that's something to note. Here, fine before getting into GxT, what to retrading? So many things. Support resistance, supply and demand, SMC, which is just like a flashy name saying supply and demand, but just like change of character, like 1 minute 15 second. What else? I don't know the name of the model, but by evolution markets, you basically map out ranges, and then when you get a sweep, you try to kind of evolve. You use the 4-hour ranges, and then you go to M15, seek a manipulation, then try to go on the candle closure. I forgot the name of the model, and yeah, I think like 5 models or 6. I don't remember all. But I started with FX Daniel Savage. I don't know if you guys know him or not. He was the one. Because I first was trading binary options. Do you guys know binary options? And then I lost some money in there because it was a straight gamble. Then next I went to Forex. Then from Forex came to, yeah, exactly. GxT was clicking for me. So yeah, it's the one. It's one it's the one that made the most sense. You're trying to just profile a 1 4-hour candle. And also the way he profiles is way better. Like P of 3 is really famous before even GxT kind of tries to try to put it out right there. Like P of 3, we got, I guess, OTA trader also, like some ICT traders used to use it. But like how simple he makes it and refines it with, but all the credit goes to G-Trace, not gonna lie. All the credit goes to G-Trace for putting out the fractal model, and then Garrett first did not try to profile the 4-hour candle as he used to do. Like because I first knew Garrett, he used to just do free live streams back in October 2024 and September 2024. So for the first 3 or 4 months, he was just trading the fractal model, and then he developed slowly but surely. But I think by January or February, that's when he kind of got that 4-hour profiling thing sorted out. Because what he found out is on it, mostly when he kind of forms a swing, when he's trading away from a swing, that's probably the low of the 10 a.m. Then he catches the expansion. Then he was like, you know what, I'm just going to make a 4-hour profiling video. Salam Kushiba. Alhamdulillah, brother. You see the price also when you start to understand the model. You see the price also, yeah, exactly, and you can understand when the price will expand. Exactly. So you got logic behind it, not like, because I always used to trade just like go to map out a 15-minute supply and demand, go to 1 minute, try to look for a changing state, then change of character, they used to call it CHOCH. And it was just, I burned a lot of funded accounts. Not even funded. I was just on the eval, so did not even pass the account. By the way, it was a long ride, but it was absolutely worth it. Okay, give me that gap, bro. Give me a new size, then I'm gonna take this one. CL, we still have nothing. Hourly, let me check on each O. Oh, we still got to draw open on each O, by the way. But all the assets are aligned. Hopefully this one closes bullish, and we'll have E2 stage right there. This one, the PSP and with the SMT, hopefully CL closes bullish. That's what I'm gonna be paying attention to. Holy moly. The closure wasn't given, price just expanded. Good. Oh my god, M5. Damn, bro. Anyways, just gonna focus on Sia. Just not gonna FOMO. Yeah, this one's already gone. Let me check. What do we have here? Got that candle. Okay, no two stage right there. Come on, can we take it to 20 likes, boys? We got 31 viewers here. We got 16 likes. Can we take it to 20? Let's see if we can take it to 20, boys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed the live stream, or you guys found it beneficial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me change that. Oh, no. Okay, it's the mic. Okay, let me just go ahead. Holy. If you know, you know. All right, we got 19 likes. We still got like 1 like. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, server just gonna expand. My God, bro. What is happening with me on live streams, man? Damn. All right, we got a C2. That's beautiful. RB looks beautiful. Nice, we got 20 likes. Thank you, boys. SMT, we got the PSP. So this one closes to PSP. We can take the M3. Nice. Let me do something really quickly. Just want to turn on an indicator, so. Okay. We just formed that low of the 4 hour, okay. That's the low. Yeah, there were no entries there, bro. Only that one. Yeah. Only this one. 1R. I think I gotta stop being picky, man. This year is different than last year. Yeah, I gotta really do some. Gotta reflect back on what's going on. 'Cause, yeah, this week I haven't really performed well. Like up 1 point something R, it's not good at all. By the way, DJR, now I'm listening to. Let me see. Let's show you what I'm listening to right now. Says it's from your country. It's from DJR countries. That singer is from his country. Alright, let's see what's going on. If you guys like Arabic songs, this guy's good. 2007. at 21 likes. Yeah, we need to take it to 30, right? Right, Snaggy? We need to take it to 30. Let me see. Let me try to change the text on OBS. I'm gonna do properties. Let's take it. No, let's get it. Wait. Come on, let's see. We got 21. I don't know. Why not? What? What did you ask, bro? You ask something? You just said nice. You just said nice. Let me check if you. The last message is by Esco Deco, which they're talking their native language, so. No, it's not ours. This is yours, guys. But I think he got the national. Yeah. I think he got the national. Let me check. I think it was given, right? Oh, back in 2013. Nice. Oh, we got them both. Okay, so it's from you and from. Okay, that's good. Oh wow, interesting. Oh my god. Good luck on the Afghan, by the way. Give me 1 sec. Okay, I'm back. Let me see. Such clean liquidity at the bottom. Yeah, bro, but I don't know when it's gonna get taken out, bro. Once we close the stream, then price is gonna dump. Yeah, Kona short cause everyone like. My brother is good. Let me pin your comment. I think now it's gonna be yours, right? Yeah. Okay, now you're okay. The best people that can gaslight are the Bengalis, bro. Like I can, from the people I knew, they're really good gaslighters, bro. I got some friend like Fahim. I got another one called Akash. Got another one called AK Fahim. I don't know what AK. That's something I mentioned earlier. I don't know what it means. But like it's like this is his grandfather name, and this one is like your father name, right? Moonlight, can you explain? When you have like a shortcut in your name, for example, AK, then your name. They said like that relates to grandfather, and this one to father. I don't remember. Sammy, bro, what? Sammy, also a guy studying with me. Sammy. Nice. Also had a guy named Sammy. Also Afrin. Also what's her name? I forgot. Yeah, I got a lot of Musa. Yeah, these are a few names of the people that I studied with. There are a lot of Bangladesh and Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, and China. A lot of people in here. Iman. Okay. Also, I know another guy called Zion. If I remember Zion, or no, it's not with the Y. It's like I and O N. Zion. I think this Zion is like the nicest. I think it was the nicest out of them. Also, another one called Galib. Bangladesh here, bro. Maraba. Nice, bro. Nice. Shout out from here to Dhaka, bro. Okay, let me see what's going on right there. Alright, guys, so here's what I'm looking for, guys. We're creating a new gap. Like, hopefully we can take this trade, man. Like, because, yeah, I've been just been kind of zoned out. This one looks bearish. This one looks bearish. Hopefully that will have that second stage. But, like, the only asset I'm going to take to the upside is ES. So I kind of got the overall draw, which is, like, really far in Q. And we have already kind of rebalanced that range, which is a bit risky now to take shorts. But hopefully, if we can manage to take something, or if we form, like, an hourly swing here, oh my days, it's gonna be so beautiful. If we form like an hourly swing here, because we only have a gap, another gap, so we still got something for price to reverse off of. Hopefully that would be kind of the high of the 10 a.m. Even though like that candle really expanded. If you really check, literally the hourly candle is the same as the daily candle, because what do we have? A daily protraction profile, making a low of day. That's what we mentioned earlier in ES. It's not a protected low of day, so we might anticipate it to get taken out. But now, since we have that SMT, we can trust that this might be the low of day, and then we just see expansion out of it into that draw. So that's why I want to take ES, because it's closer to the draw. But like for NQ, there's nothing really here. If you try to force it, probably like an M15 high, but it's not really that clean compared to ES. So what I really want to see, EPSP closing and a second stage. I would want to see like a second stage, hopefully. First stage would do the job, but like a two stage now, especially that we kind of took out a relevant high on all the assets. Like, look at YM. Like, the next relevant swing is all the way up here. So if price wants to continue higher, most likely we'll retrace and then use that new swing as the new draw to allow ES to expand on the high, and then probably do a resync to kind of expand the downside, because at some point this is gonna get taken out. And I might stay here for like long, because I don't think the weekly is gonna close leaving all these fair swings behind. I'm not sure. Today's Friday, so I'll just go ahead and see. Did you change the name? I was out a bit after sending that text. Did you change the name? I was out. Nah, bro, I did not. I tried to change it on the script, but it did not change for some reason. Bro, learn Figma for thumbnails and stuff. Ah, man, I probably will hire someone soon. If I see the channel growing, I'll probably hire someone to do it for me. And also I need to hire some, but like that's the thing, like I need to know if this is something I want to pursue doing, because yeah, if I find myself like looking for long term, it's okay for me to invest, like to kind of pay for somebody to make good thumbnails, because I'm gonna win. I'm gonna get more people to watch, and for you guys to also enjoy the quality of the stream. But like so far, because I'm not doing this for like to earn from it, or that's why like I don't want to put money up front. So let's see. Let me see how many subscribers we have now. If we get 1K subscribers, then maybe the story will change. Probably the channel will start growing. So 966, nice. We got 73 left. 43 left. Nice. Come on, can we get it to 25 likes, boys? Can we get it to 25 likes? And if you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat. That's what I'm here. And it also helps me and helps you guys at the same time. So I try to explain. So when I explain things, it just kind of goes in my mind again. So I'm subconsciously reviewing it, and for you guys too. So consciously reviewing it, not subconsciously. So yeah, let's take it to 25 likes. And you guys, if you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat. Oh wow, it was 23, now it's 22. Somebody probably wanted to like, and I'm like, anyways. Yeah, silver was the miss for today. What is your email? Online. If I want to use GxT for a swing trade, what are time frame I must look into? If you want to confirm me 4-hour swing, ideally 30-minute, ideally, or an hourly is like the perfect. Ideally is the hourly. Less ideal is like 30-minute. Less probably is like the 15-minute, because you got like how many 16 candles within a 4-hour candle, so there might be a lot of swings formed within that. But like this one kind of formed from the last 30-minute candle, within that candle kind of formed that swing, and price just expanded directly. So this is GC. Okay. I like what I'm seeing, actually. I like what I'm seeing. Hopefully closes C2. I really like what I'm seeing. Yeah, because there's nothing really here to kind of go up into. Thank you, buddy. Give me 1 sec, boys. Give me one sec. Let me check if it will change. Let me add the I. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't want to change. Yeah, even though I put that line, it's kind of. Bro, your channel is growing. Thank you, brother. Thank you. It is, actually, and it's really keeping me motivated for the time being. Can I ask a question? Yeah, bro. Of course, we're here. If you can ask questions, man. Perfect. Hey, Tom. All the love, brother. All the love. It worked. Oh. Yeah, it worked. Good. Body, I'm gonna do 58. Darn. Space between candles. Space between our time frame candles. Candle win. Okay, keep that for another time. Nice. Oh, wait. What just happened right there? Was it this one? It's not showing the C2 or C3. Let me set it in 15. Okay, perfect. But it's not showing here. I don't know why. Trace lines? I guess trace lines. Let me probably trace line. Let me do black. Okay. I'm not sure why it's not showing. What path do you recommend someone new to take? Oh, whoa. No. This is not what I mean to do. What path do you recommend someone near to TTFM to take? Focus on which time frames? 4 hour daily, 4 hour, 30-minute or hourly, and then 3-minute. this one for overall direction, which you won't use a lot. 4 hour to profile the previous 4 hour candle and anticipate the current 4 hour candle. 30 minutes and hourly to confirm the swing. 3 minute or 5 to take your entry. Okay, like what's going on? I don't know how today your narrative explain with NQ. Okay, I will, but let me just check that out. 30 minute or hourly if you want to confirm the swing, ideally. And if you want to see continuations, M15 is would do the job with like a 2-stage or a swing formation with 30 minutes. But ideally, you want to keep it for 30 minutes. I literally just started using the M15 like this week. If you guys check the previous streams, I did not use the M15. I just now wanted to add it, so because I found myself missing a lot of trades, not taking it. So I think this one. I'm not sure how to get it. I'm not really sure how to get that. Let me see. Show CSD line, so CSD with projection color. I'm not sure, but we can cover that a bit later. So we can just close this higher time frame candle. The main problem I face is even I learned the model, I feel like I'm always searching for the pattern and pattern trading. Yeah, exactly. So you always need to adapt. Like just now I was saying I want to take longs, but now price started showing weakness. We got draws open. Oh, let me wait. Like we got draws open, then I just changed my way. So you gotta be open. So I'm not like kind of pattern trading. What's your plan about this channel and your fans? I don't know, bro. I have no idea. Literally just do it for this. Do you guys know that I had a YouTube channel back in 2015? So I always loved to do YouTube, and now it's like, you know what, maybe this is the time. I used to do gaming, so now it's just like doing it for fun. So I have even IG. I don't have IG, so even IG like for the channel I don't have it. So that's why I just like keeping it for fun. Not for fun, share knowledge, get to know more people. Yeah, stuff like the silver. That's, and I get to know more people like on a personal level, but just like talk while trading. It's fun. So you guys benefit, also benefit, and we can all have a chat. So okay, let me check. I don't know what is this. He said turn on fair value gap. Okay, turn on a gap. Fair value gap. But I need like, okay, perfect. I was about to, okay. So when you turn a gap, it gives you that. Okay, perfect. Bro, like I said, its logic is missed. I'll try to now we got the script. Now we can play with it, bro. I might merge it with the precision swing point indicator. I might do that. I might put them all together in one and share the new code. If I have time, I'll try to get that sorted out. But I don't know if it's legal or not. That's the issue, man. I don't want to put myself in trouble. Oh, we got 32 viewers. Welcome. Can we take it to relax, boys? Can we take it to relax? That's the all-time highs we have. That's the PR I have. So let's see if we can take. Oh, 34. Beautiful. You got 999 fans. They are doing YouTube since 2015. Damn, I'm 27. I feel like I'm running out of time. Oh, we got 39 viewers. Perfect. Welcome. You got. Let me see how many. I think I got more subs. Welcome for the new people that are here. Welcome. Yeah. The question for you, what's your question today? Your narrative explain in Q. Okay. But let me see the other people, what they said. I'm here because we trade similar. Trading alone is boring. Exactly. Literally. Somebody's saying facts. When you stay away for a swing formation, you mean a 3-candle pattern? Yeah, either a C2 or a C3. That would confirm the swing. And especially, ideally, it's the low of the 10 a.m. Then you can just go ahead and trade away from it, anticipating that that low that was just formed or that swing is the low of the 10 a.m. But it needs to be aligned with your draw and your overall narrative. If it's not, then you're trading against the daily, and going on that daily, as I said, you need like the 2-stage or and stuff like that. So you need 2-stage cracking correlation if you want to trade that. But let me take that off for the moment because that looks like if I'm trading gaps. CL, congrats for the people if somebody took CL. Congrats, I did not again. I did not take a look at it, bro. I already mapped out. I had the alert here. Oh, I had the alert here. It got tapped off. I was like, you know what? It's probably gonna take a bit longer to expand, but yeah, damn, bro. Gold yesterday. Where's that trade? Gold yesterday that I missed, and now I missed that one. Beautiful. Okay. Yeah. This was the trade on silver, like literally. If you guys check the stream, the beginning for the people that were here, they know like that. But I was looking for that CISD. It's gonna take long since it's that high, but it's alright. I gotta literally do a review for that week, for how to manage live streams better, how I can not divide my attention a lot. Because yeah, I've been kind of missing trades. I missed the trade yesterday, today, so that's like 2K on the table that I missed. So it's a bit unfortunate, but okay. Turn off T-spot and it becomes higher time frame console with sweep. That's it. I think it'll become. That's so true. That's so true. Hey Tom, where are you from? I think you said it yesterday. I guess you're from. I'm not sure, but I think from. Anyways, you tell me. Okay, so what I need this hourly candle to close is C2. I probably have V2 stage right there. Yeah, we don't. We do actually. We have with this swing on YM just got taken out, so we got like this SMT right now holding. Well, like a C2, and since now I'm trading reversal, like that's what you need. So now I'm trading away from the hive day. So, and yeah, for the last time, I am a he. What did I say? She? Wait. Let me. Let me see if I said she. So are we getting a Discord today? God knows. No, I never said she. She is from another girl. But anyways, let's just not. It's on, bro. Indian brothers. Thanks for the indicator, bro. Bro just saved the whole community. Bye. What does bye mean? Brother. Nice. Brother. Nice. Not Instagram. I want to do Brave here. I want to go to two stages MT has formed, but no one PSP has not formed yet. At the moment, would you take the trade or not? No, I will not. What's the indicator? I'm late, please tell me too. What's your name? Can't call you refined every time. My name is Sharaf. I think. What's the indicator? It's gonna be pinned right now in a comment. You can go ahead and take the link, and then I will. Oh, it's gone. I cannot pin it again. Cannot be shared. Yeah, we're just gonna wait for like 4 minutes. Welcome everybody that is here. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat. So far, let me just go ahead and do the narrative for you guys really quickly. Daily. What do we got? We got an SMT with that swing. Is it with this SMT? Is it with this swing? Not really. So what do we have? We just have that PSP. We just traded above previous daily high. Looking on an hour, looking on a 4 hour. What do we have? We just traded above irrelevant swings, so we did not reverse from here. So most likely we might reverse off of this high. But we don't have this SMT. Yeah, we do have this SMT. We do have this SMT right here with that swing. We have an SMT here. This closes a PSP. We're still trading within that 10 a.m. candle. So 10 a.m. What am I really like? The body's like so huge and the wicks on both sides are huge. But we still got 3 hours for the candle to close, so I'm just gonna go ahead. And yeah. So again, we just traded above manipulated the previous candle's high. The next relevant draw is like really far away, so we have the SMT. And also on hourly, this might close as a PSP. If it closes, that would be a C2 candle. And if we're seeing lower time frame order flow kind of changing to the downside, that would show that this is a failure to manipulate, that this is a manipulation, because price already kind of manipulated the high. If it wants to continue, this is the time it would do it from, because we also have, this is the current low of day. The draw is a bit far away, but if price wants to expand, this is the time it would do so. But if we get a C2 closure trading away from the high of day with an SMT and also the PSP, and look at YM's closing beautifully. I might take it back into the lows. Also, yes, it's closing beautifully, but like the candle is like just treated on both sides. Like the range on that candle is like really huge. Hopefully price would not just range. That's what I'm afraid. That's what I'm worried about. Like price might kind of range. On silver, for the people that really want to see why I wanted to take that trade. C2 closure. The previous daily high is the target. If you guys really check, we kind of respected the Iki of that wick, which I don't pay attention to that often. Going on a 4 hour. The 6 a.m. close as a, it's not a swing, it's not a, like, this is the C2, C3, C4, C5, this is C5. We'll still got the draw open, so what I really wanted to see here, if fair to manipulate, and hopefully like a new lower time frame swing that I can take to expand into that level. Going to 10 a.m., if we go to hourly, do we have a new swing that is just formed? We have this is the C3, the C4, I cannot treat the C5. So on hourly now, kind of the idea is invalidated. But if we go 3 minute, what do we have? We have a C2, a new C2, that is a PSP. So now what am I gonna trade? With the anticipation that this new 30-minute candle is gonna be a C3. That's like the whole idea. And if we really go right there, I don't have, we do have a cracking correlation, but let me check with other assets. We have SMT here, but ideally you wanna go to, do this. I wanna go to XUJ Euro. So if we really go to that one, let me see if we have any cracks and correlation. Nope. Let me go to XEJ GBP. Do we have that crack and correlation right there? Yeah, we do. Look at that. We got the PSP, and this one is a second stage. So we have a 2 stage. We have the SMT. We have the PSP confirming the SMT. Just trade above a draw. When we trade above a draw, I want a lower time frame sweep, which I kind of used that one. This was enough for me, just due to the fact we have that 2 stage and we have a new swing formation. So price most likely is going to expand. I just wanted to wait for a new lower time frame CISD. I wanted to see the M3. Yeah, but I kind of missed the M5. The M5 was a bit clean. The M5 right there. What do we got? Open low. Confirm the closure. You can take it right there. With stops now, you're trading away from a C3 low, which is also the low of the 10 a.m. and trading it into the next draw, because price failed to manipulate that level, then it's going to go to the next. As super easy as that. How long it takes to hit TP? 30 minutes. There's no job in the world that's gonna pay you 1K in 30 minutes, other than trading. You always trade C3. Yeah, if we have a swing formation, C3. If I'm seeking continuation, if I have everything ready, I'm just gonna go into it to C2. Anyways, let me see. All right, give me that closure, please. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it. If we respect the gap, if we don't respect the gap, then this idea is gonna be invalidated, because ideally you want, when you have a C2 closure, you want a intercandle changing state within it, but due to the fact that the CIC is really far away, I just want that gap to hold, and then that would show me that that bearish order flow is kind of getting respected. But it's very, I checked casually today and saw it, an indicator doesn't trade for you anyway. Exactly, but it helps, like if you guys map it out. What am I indicator can name GxT is public with the same screen? Is it true? Oh wow. Oh, it's the same. It's literally the same. Yeah, it's the same. Let's see what's gonna happen right there. Oh wow. Let me check HO. So we got a PSP. I want to see continuations in HO. I just need an SMT fail, one stage. Man, like before 10 a.m. Like just look at that swing. Confirming the low at 6 a.m. Fair to manipulate. Trading away from the low of day. Low of day. Traded from a key level. We have the CIZ confirming the low of day. C2 closure. I'm not really sure if we have any cracks in correlation here, but it's overall good. It's overall clean. This is 8:30, so we have also an hourly closure there. Yeah, we have an hourly PSP. Beautiful, man. It's actually a beautiful trade. You can get that 9 a.m. expansion with like M5 or M3. Yeah, just look at that opposing candle. Trade stop there. Trade up to the highs. Yeah, I really gotta use the weekend, bro, to go over a lot of things, because I think markets are a little bit changing, man, compared to, because last time I traded was like first week of December, and then I took a break. I was traveling and doing other things, so, and also I was like, you know what, this is the end of the year. Let me just start fresh from next year. So now I feel like I'm just getting back to the zone. Like literally Monday is the first day I traded, and I traded live. So I gotta use the weekend to kind of reflect on what happened and see how I can perform better overall. Yeah, I think it's just gonna go higher, so there's no confirmation there. HO closed the gap. But hopefully it will be open on RB. Then we can trade lower, and we'll have a second stage. Or the opposite. This one trades lower. This one, no, ideally I want RB to trade into the key level. And then yeah, hopefully CL does not. So we can trade that C2, that manipulation of the lows, and then trade it back to the upside. That's like the only idea that looks good to me for the time being. I'm not gonna trade GC, I'm not gonna trade silver, already expanded. ES, yeah, it just doesn't. Yeah, we got some information right there, but it's just for what? Equal lows below. Nothing really clean. One sec, guys. I'm just gonna get a coffee and I can get back. What's up? What's up? I'm back. I'm back. Just made my coffee. Okay, we got it. Good. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Give me the CISD. I'll take this one. If I get a CISD, I'm gonna take that one, guys, to the highs. That's really it. That's all I'm gonna wait for today. That's really it. Let me grab some snacks. So what do we have so far? If you guys really look on on 4 hours, just try to profile the 4 hour candle. The previous candle is a C3. We're still respecting the EQ, by the way. We're still respecting the EQ. It still supports expansion to the upside. 30 minute. This one we don't have like a C2 or C3 closure. That's why I did not trust that one. So I have to wait for like a 15 minute. And also there's no 2-stage crack in here. So going for like if I want to trade like this candle as an inside buyer, ideally I want to see some sort of SMT. So I can trust this one as C2. That's why I waited for the M15. What do we have? Arbitrated back into the gap, which is the continuation. This is what's going to cause that continuation. And now we have that SMT. So we have that first stage cracking correlation. I don't need to wait for that PSP to close because I'm already aligned. So yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Give me that one. I want to wait for the retest. If we form a gap, which I think we did not form, I'm going to take this one. TP at the highs. Or I might just even go for that draw. That's really it. Let me see the M5. Okay. The M5 is going to close in a minute. So if it does close, I'm just going to take the M5. But I'll have to put my stop at the lows. And the beauty is we have a gap holding, which is beautiful. Oh, wait, am I turned? Okay, my mic is turned on. I was like, am I muted? So yeah, that's really it. I ideally want to wait for the retest to kind of try to squeeze like the maximum R I can get, because like look at that. By the time I take a retest, I'll try to get to R by then, but like I just don't want to miss, bro. So I might just try to go. Let me see. Yeah, there's nothing really above the high that will stop price from going down. I'll probably target this level instead. Okay. Let me just go open each O right here. Open each O here. Because I don't want to log out and then log back in. Go to M5. Do we have the closure? Yeah, we do. You know what? It's closing there. So I'm just going to wait for the retest. Come on. Am I getting a clean closure? Is this a clean closure, by the way? Precision swing point. It is, you can say, 3 limit order, 1 contract. Let me just go 2 contracts right there. Buy. I don't like that closure, by the way, but it's still a closure. So ideally I want to see closure above this one, which we do have. Okay. So yeah, that's really it. If I take an L, that would be it for me today. So sell, 2 contracts right there. Sell, 2 contracts right there. So yeah, that's really it. That's really it for me, boys. So either we get a continuation or I take a stop loss. That's really it. Now it's time to wait. I'm not really gonna manage the trade. I'm not really gonna do anything. I'm just gonna let it go. This is gonna be a $227 risk for a $800 winner. Okay. If we retrace a little bit lower, I'm gonna take another contract. By the way, if we trade below this low, I'm gonna take another contract just to kind of have a $500 risk. Let me see. If I go with 1 contract, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna take another contract right there. What? Oh, just like yesterday. Oh my god, bro. Like, I don't want to look at the M3 because I'm sure it's failing to CISD. Yep. So I'm not really going to use that as a confluence since M5 is what cut the closure. So I'm just going to wait. Okay. Enough from sweets. Okay, but for the match, now I'm just gonna take the. On hindsight, we had ES 15-minute SMT plus PSP. On M15 or M30? Or on hourly? What do we have? On which time frame? 30-minute? Am I having the precision swing on? Okay, we do. 15-minute? Where? Here? We don't have one. Hourly? This one? This is the failure to manipulate. But there's no entry, bro. This is your only entry if you want to take longs. This is your entry. I'm not really gonna take that one. I don't trust that one. So, yeah. Back to HO. Back to the M5. Let me put the higher time frame candles because it looks cleaner. Add 2, 3, padding from current candle. I might duplicate. Get another one here. Can put that one a little bit away. I'm just gonna put the. Since I'm on M5, I wanna go with the M15 here. Also M3. I wanna keep it M15. That way we'll see what's going on M15 because now this is what I trust, and I trust this SMT. By the time this SMT breaks, my trade is just gonna be invalid. But what I'm gonna do is, where is it? Lines color. I don't want no lines on M15 because they look ugly. Okay, now it's good. So we got the M15, the hourly. So let's see how it goes. On hindsight, we had AS 15, M15 T-trace 15-minute fractal. Yeah, we did, but like the confirmation wasn't there, bro. I didn't like how price was forming on NSCs. I'll just go ahead and wait for this one. If this one pays the bill, that's good. If I pay the price, that's good. This one is such a good song. Such a vibe. With that trade, I just feel like I'm excited. Can we get it to 30 likes, guys? If we take the L, yeah, I'll need to remove the likes, bro. Because it's... If we take an L, we go back to 15 likes. If we win, we take it back to 35. We take it up to 35. What do you guys think? We have a deal? Yeah, I did not play it, bro, because it's copyright. If I do play it, it's the script is gonna be bound. Bro, this is going to be a winner. Let's see. The gap is doing its job. There was a live stream I did back in October, and I was like, you know what, because I'm not earning anything from YouTube. I'm not even monetized yet. So I was like, can we play? And then I was on live stream, and then the live stream stopped. They said like, you have a copyright. I was like, from then I was like, let me just go with the lo-fi chill hip hop for the background for y'all, and for me I listen to another song. For me, I'm listening to Spotify right now. Like, Got my Spotify here. Then you guys are. So if you guys have any preferences for music, let me know. But it needs to be no copyright. No copyright, and then I'm just gonna put it for you guys. So that you guys can listen to it. If there was a closed draw, I would take this one. If there was a closed draw, let me see. If there's a closed draw, nah, it's far away. If there was a closed draw, I'm gonna take this one. But if it was giving me to R to the high, I would take it. I like this one. I like this formation. I like this setup. I really love it. Why? Boom, easy. Boom. Boom. Even though the wick doesn't support expansion, but we got the sweep, we got the manipulation, the draw is close by. It's not. I would be open to take that one. If we had something like this, the high is here. Maybe this one is a bit bigger. I'm gonna take it. It's kind of that high. But since it's not, then I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna wait for HO. Come on. Space. All right. You guys know what I got in that trade, right? For the people, if you guys know. But it's coming back to the gap. Testing it too much. One price to test it once, twice, and move on its way. Yeah, you just gotta, like, the market is always right. You just gotta let it do its thing. If it wants to retest it a million times, let's just let it do its thing. Since our stop is protected, since I see that this stop is protected, as long as that's the case. So, play this Heaven I Run. On a background or me? Heaven I Run. Let me see how many subscribers we have. Is it 970? We got 970 yet or not? Let's go! Let's go, we got 970, boys. Let's go! Beautiful, beautiful. A winner with the 970. Oh my god, that's gonna be a good day. Metro. Oh, look at that song. Introducing. Y'all listen to Metro Boy? Such a good, such a vibe. This one, bro. Such a vibe. They pray for the day that I lose it. Like I made a power to use it. Such a good song. But I'm gonna play Heaven I Run. Heaven I Run. Okay. I'm on top. Oh, Space Kid. Okay. Nice. You gotta dance on stream of, bro. Holy. Bollywood stuff. Bollywood. Heaven I Run. Heaven I Run. Heaven I Run. Okay, let me see. Oh, this is what I need. This song, yeah. Heaven I Run is the one I need for that. Oh my god. Hey. It's good. Let me see if it's copyright. Is there a copyright? Yeah, I think there's a copyright, bro. I cannot put it in the background. Holy. I think it's copyrighted. They pray for the day that I lose it. Farmed a new high. Oh my brother. We farmed a new gap. You know what I'm gonna do, boys? Just gonna take my stop and put it here. I'm anticipating that this gap is gonna hold, and when we have a gap, I don't anticipate price to get back to the body. So that's my whole narrative with it. Why? Because CL kind of took out the high. Let me see RB. What RB is doing? Did it take out the? I did. Yep. So there's gotta be a bit cautious right there, because now the weaker asset traded to the high first. That might be a kind of like a minor red flag. So since we have a minor red flag, then I'm just gonna minimize my risk. Let me see how much am I gonna lose. Probably like a 120 or like 100. Like 100 by the time it takes me out, I guess. If it takes me out. Create limit 2 contracts. Wow, $92. You know I'm just gonna put it at the body, bro. Okay, that's good. Just gonna put it there. Good. Okay, let's let it do its thing. New person, same old mistake. For my current self. New person, same old mistakes. For my current self. I did not see the comment that you deleted, bro. Did not see it. Anyways, no, bro, it's not. Okay, let me check. Okay, but I need like a long playlist because if it keeps looping around, like I'll get tired from that same song. So I have like maybe to go to SoundCloud and ask SoundCloud and try to find like a playlist. Like do you guys like house music or something? If you guys like house, let me see how much I'm up. Would it be like $200 now or like 200? 243? Okay, keep it a little bit. We need, that's like almost 900, so. Nope. Okay. Song name is New Person, Same Old Mistakes. Okay, same long as not copyright, free music. Okay, perfect. New Person, Same Old Mistakes. Let me take that one too. Pray for the day that I lose it. Got HO. Keep this one. Keep this one. Okay. Gonna put HO here. Futures. Gonna put CL here. And I think we're gonna get a break even, boys. Hopefully it's not a break even. Hopefully. I'll pray for the day that I'm losing. Let me check, it's still loading up. It doesn't want to load. It's literally like that for like the whole time. Let me put it on Spotify. New person, same old mistakes. New person. Put it to the queue to then listen to it for the next song. Okay. Oh boys. Oh boys. Oh boys, we're gonna get a break even. We're gonna get a. Do you guys think it's a break even or not? Bro, you gotta add this video stream program is intended solely for educational and information purposes to every live stream description. Bro, you gotta add this video stream program is indeed solely for education. Oh, wait. Damn, bro. Bro, thank you guys. There are some really good guys here, bro. Like, they've been helping a lot, bro. Like, giving ideas. Damn. Like, I literally just go live stream. That's it. Sounds insane. It's good. All right. Let me hear the new person is same. I got the song here. Oh, I know it. Dun, 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 dun. Wait. I think maybe I listened to that on IG. So now, if we're gonna make money today, that's gonna be the move. If we're not gonna make money today, then yeah, it's gonna be another unfortunate day. Oh, it's more like a beat, right? No, here it plays. Let me. Okay, so my stop is at the body, anticipating that this gap is like the next new invalidation level. Let me see what's going on M3. Hopefully I can manage the trade better on an M3. Okay, we got a bigger gap. Okay. So I'm just gonna stay on M3. Like, logically speaking, like now this is my entry on M3. Now this is that OB. I don't know why I feel like I'm gonna get faked out and then for price is gonna go higher. Interesting. I'm gonna see how that candle close. This one is good. Its lyrics are self-refrain. No, go in what I always what I longed. Feel like a brand new person. I'm in love. I'm in. Yeah, I feel like I'm making all the mistakes for managing my trade aggressively. Yeah, as I said, so you guys see silver when I got that change in state. Yeah, it was like this is an easy setup. Like my eyes got used to kind of seeing that setup over and over and over and over again. Just like, no, I know it's gonna play out. Just like that one. Like they're kind of similar. Even though like the only distinction is like this is the C3, this is like the C2. But like I'm anticipating if I'm gonna trade the C2, I'm only gonna be in line like that C3. So because I don't see the continuation on the C2. I feel like I got a point. Oh, we got 29. We got 29 likes. Nice. Let's see if we're gonna take it to 30. We still got one more like to go, guys. We're in a trade right now, so hopefully by the time it gets to 30 likes, we will be up 30 takes. Hopefully. Okay. So far, so good. I close above the gap. Just so far, so good. We hope for the best, but anticipate the worst. Hope for anticipator. What's your name again? Spell it. C-H-A-R-E-F. Oh, bro. H.O. heard my name and is just like, oh, is this the guy who's treating us? I'm just gonna go and take his break. Shut off is not my name. It's not my name. Just go up. Okay? It's not my name. Go. I'm another guy. Just go up. I'm done with the missing trades, bro. Okay, that's good. I just changed my name and I'm just like, the market maker just like started being bullish. This is how it's spelled. C-H-A-R-A-F. Bro, what the fuck? Why are you dumping? Come on, my name is Dodgy. Go up. Can we get it to 30 likes, boys? You got it 30 likes? Let's say got 1 like to go. Beautiful. Oh, Dodgy is a profitable trader. That's why I kind of went up. So I got 22 viewers. Okay, 24. Okay. We lost 6. It's okay. Lol, market makers are from the new trader in the market. Yeah, bro. I'm Michael. I'm ICT. Wait. I'm him. Come on, go up. Hopefully I'm not gonna take a copyright. If I do, fuck it. I don't care. I'm him. Come on. I coded the algorithm. Come on. Come on, I'm the algorithm. What's up? Come on. Go up. Go up. I coded the very gap. Come on. 1, 2, 3 is gonna flip bullish. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Flip bullish. 1, 2, 3. Go up. Bro. We need to add the magnets. Bro, I'm the market maker. No need for the magnets. I'm the liquidity provider, man. I'm everything. What do you think about ICT? He's a smart guy. That's all I can say. Yeah, the I. Good, 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 bro. Like, yeah, this is my name. CHERAF. Where is it? Where's the I, bro? Oh, I got this one already. I'm gonna put it there. Yeah, save this one for rough times. You know, ICT sometimes has rough times too. So, where's the I, bro? Does he use this I? He uses this I. This I. Why can I put it? What? I cannot put it. Yeah, the market makers are watching my chart, bro. Like, I click it, I put it, it's not here. Can I take? Bro, what the fuck? They know my secrets, bro. They don't allow me to put the I because they know it's gonna. Oh, that's good. GP is coming, boys. GP is coming. Holy, 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 holy. Too many eyes, bro. Do you see? When we got the eyes, we got a bullish candle. So, just wait, guys. We're gonna go upside. We're gonna go up. Ah. Market maker is watching, man. There is an Indian trader called Trading Legend. He makes 300 on average. What the fuck? 300k? 300k what? 300k dollars? Or 300k pesos? Or 300k Indian rupee? Or 300 dirhams? Whoa. What currency is that, bro? Come on, go up fast. Don't forget, I'm the market maker. Good. Yeah, ICT is doing the job now. Pesos? Dollars? What the hell? 300k on average per day. What the fuck? And it makes like a 1.5 million a week? $6 million a month? What the hell? 60 million? Like $72 million a year. Holy shit. غير تحشيها لروحك. يبصر شويتي. Sound scam. ما فهمتش البلان هاد دي جي ار تعاود تكتب لي تفهمني بلان. Let me guess, trades on MT4. Exness terminal. I think yes. I think he doing the, I don't know what is it called. The quarter theory, right? I'm not sure if it's him or not. He recently started a new series, Daily Day. You can check it out. His name live. It's fake, bro. Let me guess. He recently started a new series, Daily. What's his name? Eta. Yeah, quarterly theory. Just gonna put stops to break even right now. Yeah. Tandra is good. Why did you remove the comment, bro? I should check that guy out. Learn how to scalp in gold. My full day trade. SMC ICT. This is the guy that makes 300k per day? Wait. Oh, if that's true, that's crazy, man. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but it looks kind of legit for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know. I cannot really give my opinion, especially with Exness is like related to broker, but I don't know. Well, not every story is good. Circular theory. Wait. Circular theory best or GxT. There's no best thing. If support resistance works for you, then it's the best thing for you. But since I'm trading like this, so it seems like it's the best in my opinion. Circular theater best GxT. More night every strat is good. Focus on one thing. I'll say GxT is so simple. Yeah, exactly. Yep, don't go on looks. Time to trade live. Bro, like when you trade live, bro, like I'm not even like 50% of my performance, I swear to God. When you're trading live, just check, bro. The only guy I saw take a trade live was like Raja Banks. He was the only one who was really consistent with the live streams. Like even with the letters, I think they did some sort of live stream maybe December or like November. He did take a trade, actually, not gonna lie, he did take a trade. But the other members that are also profitable when they go on live streams, like on YouTube or BM trades or like the guys, it's really tough. Now, not only you only have to think about people that you have also people that they might take the same trade, so it's just a lot of pressure. So yeah, it's really tough, bro. Starting balance to imbalance, check it out. It comes live. Oh, it comes live. Okay, like when you were using that hammer. But I think it will. Yeah, it's going. Come on, baby. No, guys, this is the best singer in the world. It's Frank Sinatra, bro. Yeah, just wow, just chill, bro. Under my skin. Come on, give me my TP. Let me go to bed. I need to sleep. Oh, still got 2 hours for the full vol match to play. Guys, wish the best for Morocco. Bro, Morocco is playing today versus Cameroon. Hopefully we'll win. Hopefully we'll go to the semifinals. We need to. We haven't won in a while, bro. We haven't won the AFCON for 50 years, bro. 50 years. Wake up to reality. Come on, nah, bro. I'm not gonna do it. How much I'm up? Like probably like $600 or something. I got you. under my skin. ديما تزاير خاوة ما كاينه عداوه. 1 2 3 فيفا l'Algérie. Bro, Frank Sinatra is such a vibe, man. It's such a vibe. Like, oh my god, bro. I would sacrifice anything. Like, when you see that this sign of song, like the let me do something. You know what? I'm gonna do something for y'all. OBS. Gonna let you guys listen. Take that off. Wait. I'm gonna give you guys a listen. I love this vibe. I'm gonna do. Okay, now I think it's gonna work. Y'all can hear. Okay, done. I'm afraid I'm gonna get copyright, bro. Okay, thank you. HO, give him my tray, bro. Give him my TP. Let me go. We need to go, brother. We need to go. I need to go and record the video for the boys. We need to do a back testing session. I'm gonna go ahead right now and record the back testing session. You know about BM trace? Yep. I know him, brother. I think everybody knows everybody. Oh, you Indian? No, bro. Bullshit. I'm not Indian, brother. HO first is not available in my prop firm. Oh, okay. Then just gotta take trade probably NCs or something. Come on, HO. Come on. You got there. It's just giving me like the vibe that I want to close. Like, just fuck it, bro. Yeah. I don't know why I felt like I want to close. That's it, boys. That's really it for me. I don't know why I closed, but I did. I closed. Okay. Now we just got to TP. Congrats. Let me see how much I made. If I made some money today. Beautiful. End of the day. Green. Good. So we're up. Oh wow, it just pushed higher. Beautiful. So we're up $700 for the day. That's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's absolutely worth it. Let me see how much I closed the trade for, by the way. I think I killed it early. And by the way, we're still open for that next draw. Just the other fact that, yeah, I just want to kind of secure myself. Let me see how much. I'm not really sure how much I made on that trade, but overall, it's a beautiful day here today. It's gonna be back, bro. It's gonna be back. Okay, so now can we get the 35 likes? I'm not sure. I said like 35 or 30. I'm not sure, but can we get a 35? This is the execution. If y'all maybe you guys want to trade breakdown for that one or not? You guys want to trade breakdown for that trade to post it on YouTube? I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that too. Probably. And where is it? Execution labels. Take that off. Turn it back on. So yeah, bought it right there. You know what I'm gonna do? So I bought at 615, right? 615, and I sold at 1705. 1705. Right? Let me see how much, because I lost the trade before, like that shallow $40 loss, or I don't remember. So 2 contracts, I made 756. Okay, so the last trade, but wait, how much I was supposed to make? 56. Remember, 56. 56. So I missed like 44, $75. Okay, that's all right. $75. Okay, for like a 1 second. 1 second, I was gonna be paid $75. Trade breakdown, another video for the channel. Perfect. W, bro. Okay, W's in the chat. Can we see like the W? This is my first time. W's in the chat. W's in the chat, boys. Okay. So yeah, that's really it. I hope you guys took that trade. If you guys took it, good. If you did not, tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Oh my god, there's no tomorrow. There's Monday. There's Monday, boys. Let me see. I think Price is gonna still go for that draw. Price is still gonna go for that draw, but as long as I take my 2R, that's all what I need. So that's a beautiful day. Yeah, that's really it, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead probably. And what time is it? I say got like 4 minutes for 1A. You know what? I'm just gonna stay here for like 4 minutes, or maybe a bit more. You guys have any questions? It's a beautiful trade. That's such a beautiful trade. Like the 15-minute, thank you to 15-minute, thank you. SMT fill, beautiful SMT fill. So yeah, it was absolutely worth it. We could have taken more. Could have taken that one. and that one. But again, it's no problem. All right. I had a great weekend, bro. Meet you on Monday. Thank you guys. Thank you. Love you guys. And yeah, so just wait for the video. Either it will be the trade breakdown first, or or the backtesting session, and create a Discord in the weekend. Yeah, by the time you guys see the video, I will, if there's a new Discord, I will let you guys in the first 20 seconds of the video. I'll let you guys, there's the Discord below, so you can go ahead and join. If not, then maybe by Monday, okay? Because I need to set up the channel and a lot of things. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and record the video. It's a bit late for me, so I'm just gonna maybe cook something. The match is gonna start with, let me see, Morocco versus, I think it's gonna start in 2 hours. Yeah, look at that. It's 3 a.m. bro. It's at 3 a.m. So I gotta wait. So I got 2 hours for the game to start. So I'm just maybe, yeah, record a video or study something or just read a book or something. So yeah, that's really it, guys. If you guys loved it, enjoyed the stream, give it a thumbs up. So let me wait for like 2 minutes. Can we get a thumbs up? Can we get like 32 likes, 33? I think yesterday, let me check the record for yesterday. Let me check. I got you. What is this? Oh my days. I got you all over my skin. We go to pick. I got you all over my skin. I think it was somewhere here. If we go to, not pick, if we go to pictures, screenshots, and we go to somewhere in here. Let me check what it is. Someday we're gonna watch the match together on Discord. Yeah, bro, for sure. Someday. I got a friend. I'm gonna link with some friends on Discord. Oh, if I had a Discord ready, I would just stream and watch it there. I'm literally gonna watch it with a friend of mine because he's in another country, so I'm just gonna watch it on Discord. Okay, so let me check the screenshot, guys. Give me 1 sec. Let me check where the screenshot. I got you. Let me see yesterday. Okay, what do we got? Okay, we got, just go ahead and back to main. So you guys see, we got 30 likes yesterday and we got 7 new subscribers. So yeah, let me see how much we have now. 30, come on, can we break a new record? Can we make it a new record, boys? Can we get it to 31 or 32? Hopefully, let's see. Let's see if we're gonna take it, bro. Let's see if we're gonna take it to 32 likes. Ah, man, y'all don't want to give me the new record, the PR. 29. Somebody was like, oh, is it the max? Let me I feel like Speed, bro, when Speed was about to get to like a new record for subscribers. Okay, 30 likes. Let's see. I'm not gonna leave until 31, man. You know what? 31. Hello, can we get it? Let me check some. Let me check studio, YouTube studio. Yesterday we were at, I'm not sure how many subscribers we have, but like now, oh, beautiful. Thank you guys. I'm just sharing every achievement with you guys. 973. We still got 72 people. 27, not 72. 27. And yeah, how much R could we collect this week? I took ES long. I got 2R, and then I got this one. 2R, which is fun. This one wasn't really like 2R. It was like 1.8, 1.9. So like almost 4R. And then I lost almost I took like a $50 loss, 120 loss. So I think like a 0.5 R loss. So I think I'm up like 3.5 for a week. 3.5, and that's like I've missed so many trades. I missed CL, 2R. Yesterday, gold, 2R. So that's 4R missed. And I missed another yesterday, beautiful trade. That's one in the chat took. I don't remember the name. 2R, so 6R. And I also missed, wait, let me show you guys. There was a CL trade that I took and I closed on stream. And the problem is I closed it for a loss and it was a winner. And price literally just dumped after I closed it. Yeah, it was this one. This one I took it with like a $50 loss and then it went to $400 win. So yeah. Do you have X Insta or Discord, bro? No, I do have X, but it's personal, so can we get 80 likes? We need to send 60 people here. We need to add 60 people here. I still like 22, but we still have just 22. So. Yeah, at some point we're gonna get like 50 views and then 100, hopefully. But like, man, when it gets like to 100, that's gonna be some pressure right there. Okay, yeah, that's really it. Let me see. Oh, It shows retracing, right? Okay, beautiful. Come on, retrace. I don't care. If you want to retrace, retrace. If you want to shoot up. All right, that's really it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and thank you guys so much for breaking in your record today. We got 32 likes. Thank you so much. Let me do let me play a sound. Let me play a sound. No, not this one. Let me see, what is it? I want to play like a... Oh, I don't even know what I'm just gonna do. Okay, let me do it. Thank you guys, thank you. I'm gonna do something now. I'm gonna go to OBS. Thank you guys. 33 likes, let's go. Thank you guys, thank you. Okay, back to reality. Yeah, that's really it. Thank you guys. Oh, we got 33 likes. Thank you guys. Okay, so yeah, that's really it for me. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. You guys will see a video on the weekend, one or two videos. Hopefully, I'll try to get them delivered. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Bro, it's for... Oh, sorry, guys. But yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Yeah, what time is it? Yeah, thank you guys. Love you guys so much. And I'm gonna do a one big heart because this week alone, like, yeah, this week alone was really good, bro. Like this week alone, I got a lot of subs. I got like almost 200 subs. More people here. Yeah, my ears. You give off good vibes. Thank you guys. So yeah, really love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you guys on Monday. Okay, take care. Enjoy your weekend. Chill, rest, study a little bit, use it effectively, and let's go 25. Okay, thank you guys so much. See you guys. Take care. Love y'all. Bye bye.